What's going on, guys? Dave here, Anthem Off-Road Wheels. This, my friends, is Anthem Rates Your Ride. I am here with the guy who's normally standing on the other side of the camera. Mason, thanks for being here, man.
Absolutely, Dave.
So how long have you been with Team Anthem?
I am coming up on just my first year here. Basically do all the videos, shoot them and edit them. So yeah, coming up on about a year.
That's awesome, man. So we are going to look at 3 vehicles and we're just going to go through and rate them. All right, so the very first one is a 1976 Ford F-250 running Anthem Intimidator 17x9 with a 0 offset. He's running the Kumo Road Venture AT51 285/70 tires on stock suspension. Man, I love this blue. So
it's unique for sure.
He says stock suspension, no rubbing, no scrubbing, no trimming whatsoever, and no wheel spacers on the front or the back. So whoever built this truck picked out the absolute perfect wheel and tire package.
That's awesome. It's got the Intimidators on there. It looks nice.
Yeah. What's the first thing that you notice right off the bat?
I too first noticed the color. I just like that blue a lot. Personally, I probably wouldn't drive blue, but I think it looks cool and fits with what he's got going on there. But yeah, I also really like the. You can really see the milling on the wheels on that last picture there.
Oh yeah. So he's got locking hubs. So all of our wheels, all of the Anthem wheels come with a center cap that covers everything. But and some of them look a little bit different when you take the center cap off. But the Intimidators, I think especially, they look amazing with or without the center cap on them.
For sure.
Part of the reason because it has that Anthem branding off to the side on one of the spokes. I think what really stands out to me is that obviously the blue truck. I mean, it's a beautiful body and the paint looks amazing. But that brush guard, I really dig it. It gives it that old school feel.
Yeah, that's true. I like it. It's not it's not too big either, where it doesn't stand out. It just kind of looks sleek. I like it.
And then it looks like he's got some little bit of modern twist in there with those headlights. So I'm curious if this was like a family truck, or this is like a farm truck that he found and kind of cleaned up, or because I would bet in a 1976 F-250 there's got to be some story, some history behind this vehicle. So, are you ready, Mason? You got your number picked out?
I got it.
All right, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, 8.
Yes, nice. Good
You
stuff.
can't argue with that.
Like it.
Man, this is a beautiful truck.
It really is. Yeah, and there's snow on the ground, and I don't really see any rust, so it must have done some restoration or something like that. I don't know. I assume they probably use salt, or I don't know.
Yeah, it looks good. And
awesome.
I mean, he's clearly not afraid to use his truck,
yeah,
right?
True.
This isn't a strictly only gonna take this to shows and I'm only gonna drive it on Sundays when it's not raining. This is like he's out there on a gravel road, I'm sure, kicking up rocks and playing in the snow and just having a good time.
Totally.
So.
Yeah, he's got the toolbox in the back and everything too. So.
Yeah. I love that he uses the vehicle and actually enjoys it. Cool. Let's go on to the next one.
Let's do it.
So our next vehicle is a 2015 Ford F-150. So we're going from that old school 1976 to a 2015 F-150. This one's on the Anthem Gunner 20x10 -44 offset, paired with our top selling tire, the Nitto Ridge Grappler 33 12.5 on just a leveling kit. So that's pretty cool. He's got a set of 33s on an F-150.
Yeah,
it's just a level.
A little bit of poke too.
So leveling kit, just a slight rub at full turn, a little bit of minor plastic trimming, and no wheel spacers. What's the first thing you notice on this truck?
I don't know. My eye is initially drawn to the grille. I, for some reason, just really like the way that grille looks. Looks like he's got the 3 amber lights in there too, kind of that Raptor style. I know some people probably don't like that, call it a poser or whatever. I don't know, but personally, I think it looks cool. I I would probably do the same thing if I had that truck, honestly. I just think it looks super sharp. How about you? What do you
No,
see?
I absolutely agree. I love the grill, and I love it when people modify their vehicles to their preference.
Yes, true.
Especially without caring what anybody else might think about their vehicle. I mean, this owner clearly loved the grill and the 3 amber lights, and he built it to be his own vehicle. And I love that. I respect it. Solid wheel and tire choice, man. The 20x12 Gunners. Gunners are one of my favorite wheels, and especially with the way the headlights flow on the F-150s with the directional design of the Gunners. I think they come together really, really well. It's just a really clean, simple build. Didn't go overboard on anything. This is
yeah, it looks awesome for it could be a daily driver, or you know, you definitely could take that off road, and I'm sure you could get way back into the woods if you needed to.
yeah. I think I'm ready. You?
Yep, I'm ready as well.
All right. This one's gonna hurt me to do it, but ready? 3, 2, 1, 9. Man, it
Cool.
is a clean truck.
Yeah, it's tough to beat, really. Like you said, didn't really go overboard. Everything's just proportional. Everything's just super clean about it. Just looks good.
Yes. Yeah, I love the simplicity of it. Just super clean, nice and simple. No cheapo eBay modifications. He did a great job building this, so great job. All right, last one. This last one is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK on a set of Anthem instigators. These are 18x9 -12 instigators, wrapped up in Cooper Discovery AT3 XLT 35x12.5 with a Terraflex suspension lift on 3.5-inch Terraflex. So 3.5-inch lift kit, no rubbing, no scrubbing, no trimming, no wheel spacers. She's got a Smitty-built Stinger front bumper, Fab 4 door skins, bolt on, removed the mirror attachment, self-cut fenders, DV8 Ranger fast back hardtop, and the rocker steps. This is pretty nice.
Yeah, I like the way that looks a lot.
So, selfishly, right, the first thing that I notice is how well these photographs are taken.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Right?
Yeah, they look good.
Like she's capturing everything from the rear bumper to the front bumper, in every one of the corners of the vehicle. I don't know that I like that grill. And I don't know who made the
style, yeah.
aftermarket Angry Eye
Yeah.
Jeep Wrangler grills. The headlights look cool. I just
I
don't
agree with that.
care for the grill. But that bumper, man, I'll bet you can get through some obstacles with that thing.
Yeah, that's true.
So the Anthem Instigator that she's running, this is the Instigator with the machine face. The Instigator is available in a gloss black with milled accents. It's available in a matte black, and then this one that you see right here with the machine face.
Yeah, I really like the way that looks. Gives it a little bit of pop, you know, but not anything too crazy. Just enough to, you know, kind of draw, you know, your eyes down to the wheels too. I think it ties together nicely with the rest of the build too.
Yeah, it really does. Man, I like it. Custom decal on the hood. It says Ghosted, is that right?
Yeah, it looks like it.
I think so. Yeah, it must be, because it kind of matches up with her Instagram name, Ghost
True.
Jeep JK. Yeah, so that's got to be it. All right, I want a Jeep, man. Like, I love my Silverado, but
Yeah.
man, I want a Jeep to play with too.
I feel that for sure.
But I think I'm ready. You?
Yep, I think I got a number.
Cool. All right, 3, 2, 1, 8.
7.
Ooh, 7. What could she have done to take it from 7 to 9?
That's a good question. I personally, I think that you know, that kind of brush guard up front, I just think it's a little bit too big for my personal liking. I definitely see the functionality behind it, but I just think that my eye kind of immediately draws towards that. But other than that, the rest of the build is pretty cool. I like how unique it is.
So I do. I like it when Jeep owners make it a point to have all 5
Yes.
wheel and tire packages.
It does go a long way.
I think it really ties in the whole thing. 3.5-inch lift kit, I think, is probably perfect for this Jeep. It's enough to give you the ground clearance that you need, especially with a set of 35s. It's the grill.
Sure.
For me, it's the grill.
Sure.
You know, hats off to anybody who's personalizing their vehicle. I love it. Just not my style. And then the cap on the back, I like that really square look.
Sure.
But again, that's just my personal preference. She did a great job building it, and thanks for adding it to the gallery. So if you want to be featured on one of our upcoming Rate Your Ride videos, what I need you to do is in the comments below, leave your year, make, and model of your vehicle, and obviously upload it to the gallery, so anthemwheels.com/ad. And as long as you're doing that, we'll get you into one of our upcoming Rate Your Ride videos. So thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. All right, we're out.
Thanks.